There's a spark that lives in all of us, a creativity waiting to be set free. It could be a wild imagination, an untapped artistic talent,
or an idea waiting to be unleashed. And while some have harnessed it, others are yet to find their moment.
But with a dash of inspiration, a word of encouragement, and the right tools, that spark is ready to grow into a flame.
and what better time to do it than the Festival of Lights?
So this Diwali, we are inviting all to embrace their creative side, to let it bring joy and positivity,
To let it light up the world.
To let it shine.